Hi, this is Valerie Hunter Kelly with the Aerosalt team at Keller Williams Realty here in Clarksville, Tennessee. And remember, the Aerosalt team is the only team endorsed by Barbara Corcoran of Shark Tank. So, what are we going to talk about today? Well, I thought a hot topic, since the market's really hot and things are selling pretty quick, is talking about that final walkthrough and making sure that buyers realize how important that walkthrough is. So we'll be back in a moment to talk about buyer's final walkthrough. Hi, this is Valerie again. So we're back. And so we're going to talk about buyer's final walkthrough. First, it's very important that you do a final walkthrough. If you do a new construction, you may do 2 or 3 walkthroughs. And on resales, you're hoping that you can get it in one walkthrough, but sometimes if there are repairs and things, that may require a second walkthrough also. But make sure that you do have a final walkthrough done. That's the most important tip as we start out. And it's not just to make sure that the house, still looks good. You want to make sure it's in the same condition as when you initially saw that house. And you also want to make sure that any repairs you requested from the home inspection or maybe an appraisal, that those repairs have been done also. So that's important. If you can help it, don't do a walkthrough the day of closing. Sometimes I know, especially in our town, that's very hard to do because we're in a military town. Sometimes people are just coming in. But if you can help it, do it a day before so there's not a crisis to get repairs done. If it happens to be done that day and there's things that need to be done, we've worked that out several times, and I can discuss that in more detail with you if you have questions about that. And then watch out for leftover belongings. Sometimes it's not done intentionally. People will go to open up a drawer and there's a full of utensils and things or things that the seller has left there. So you may want to contact the agent who was representing the seller, because sellers usually aren't there at closing, and they can get that to them if that's important. And then also, because this happened to me, be emotionally ready. When you see a house, and if that house was not vacant and had beautiful furniture in there, it was staged just right, and so you fell in love with that. And then you go look at the house at right before closing, and it doesn't look the same with everything out of there. So be emotionally ready for that you're making sure the house looks the same and repairs and things are done. And there's some other little tips that are probably some little options we can give you to be able to test things and make sure they're working. And these are things that you normally have with you. But again, give me a call and we can talk about those things in more detail. This is just to give you an idea of what you should be looking for, but there's a lot more things involved. So give me a call at 931-245-7435, or you can go to our website at aerosalts.com. Have a great day, and we look forward to talking to you again.